If you're selling your car in Illinois, one of the most important steps is signing the title correctly. A small mistake here can delay the process, so let's walk through it step by step. Start by filling in the buyer's information. In this case, the buyer is Advanced Remarketing Services, since they act as the agent for the charity. Write their full name in the buyer section exactly as instructed. Next, move to the seller section. Sign your name and print it clearly, making sure it matches exactly how your name appears on the front of the title. If more than one person is listed as the owner, check how the names are written. If it says or, only one of you needs to sign. If it says and/or, then both owners must sign. If the names are simply listed side by side, both owners also need to sign. Only sign in the seller's signature section. Never write anything in the buyer's section. Always use black or blue ink and avoid corrections. Don't use whiteout, don't cross anything out, and don't write over mistakes. If something goes wrong, it's better to stop and request help before moving forward. If your title shows a line holder, like a bank, you'll need to get the line released before the transfer. That usually means either the line holder signs off directly on the title, or they provide you with a line release letter. Before the car is picked up, make sure you remove your license plates. Once the vehicle is gone, complete a report of sale. This form is required by the state, and it's best to submit it right away so the records show the car is no longer in your name.